Welcome back to the layout, everyone. This week I'm going to be weathering my three Broadway Limited locomotives. I have two of the Paragon 3 ES44, one in UP and one in CSX, and then I have a Paragon 2 AC 6000. So finally work on getting these weathered. So I've completed my weathering. The two ES44s are, somewhat newer, so they don't have too much weathering on them. But I got a little bit of soot off the exhaust, fuel spillage, and then just your normal track grime along the frame. I darkened all of the grills. ES44 is pretty much the same. And then for the AC, heavy on the exhaust, spillage along the tanks, and the light's making these grills look a little bit glossier than what they are. And then it's common for rust along the frame along here, so I got that in there as well. And this is the other side of the AC. So now that I've gotten these all weathered, I think it's time to make a little bit of space in my fleet for some of the stuff that'll be coming in later this year. So I have all three of these for sale on eBay, and I will post the link. Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell, that way you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone's comments. And again, thank you for watching.